Hey guys, my name is Noe Alonzo. I am your dance professor here on YouTube. Now, what we're going to be going over today is just a wee bit of Charleston. So we're going to cover just a little portion of the umbrella of Charleston, just like the introduction to it. I'm going to go over the music, the counts for the step patterns, as well as like a follow along. That way you guys can see both sides, okay? So what I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to keep consistent, is that I have back view as well as a front view for you guys. Back view, I feel like, is more important because that's what you would normally see in a group class setting. In group classes and in giant events, you usually see the person's back who you're trying to follow and see what's going on. So I feel like that one is probably one of the most helpful, but you can also see in the corner over here that I'm going to have the front view, okay? So we're going to try and keep that consistent on the channel. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. Hey guys, we're starting off with a kick step, rock step exercise. This helped me understand from a bunch of different patterns that you can do the same exercise on both sides, left and then right. So you can go kick, rock step, rock step. From here, we have our double kicks. What I'm going to try and get you used to is just double kicking on a single leg. Now what I'm doing is I'm shuffling my foot, but you can also do a jumping action with it, which is indicative of Charleston itself. But for exercise purposes, I'm just keeping it to a shuffle. Now we're starting off with our basic, starting off with our left foot, starting off the rock step into a double kick. Then you'll see the same thing on the right side. On the right side, it's the same exact exercise. We're just keeping it rock, step, kick, rock, step, kick, and double kick. All right. Now, next off we have is a Charleston basic with a side view. What you want to notice is that I'm keeping my torso in the same exact spot the entire time. I'm slightly forward and I'm bouncing back up and down without lifting my torso or my trunk forward or backwards. Just keeping it in the same place the entire time, okay? All right, my name is Noe Alonzo, and this has been your introduction to Charleston. So we went over our basic step in as the follow as well as the lead on the left and the right side. Usually the lead is the left side and the follow is the right side, okay? So hopefully with this little breakdown and introduction, it'll help you getting to dancing on the floor soon, all right? See you guys next time.